How to log into your Reddit account. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log into your Reddit account. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar, type the official website of Reddit, reddit.com, then press enter to browse it. After browsing, you will be taken to this interface. This is the official website of Reddit. In this interface, you will find the login button at the top right corner. Click on this login, and then this interface will be shown on your screen. Now, here you will find the options to log into your Gmail account or Apple account. Also, log in through your email address or username. You can choose one of them from which you have signed up for your account before. Here, I have signed up for my Reddit account through a Google account, so I'm selecting Continue as my Google account by clicking on it. Wait for a while and select your Gmail or Google account here, and after a while, you will see you have successfully logged into your Reddit account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more useful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.